When I became a novice in the first time in 2011, it was pretty hard for me because I was so young. I was 12 years old, but it was also cool to me. I wanted to become a novice because I had a chance to visit my brothers in the temple, and I saw monks and novices there, and it looks pretty cool to me. I wanted to become like that, with a skinhead hairstyle and an orange robe. Before becoming a novice, I saw my brother and his friends studying English and talking to foreigners, and I wanted to be able to talk with the foreigners too. That is one of the reasons that I decided to become a novice. The rules were very difficult for me, and I had to wake up very early every morning to pray to the Buddha and go to collect alms. To be a novice means I was a beginner, so I had to practice very hard to learn chanting. The first week was very hard, but then I became familiar with the rules in the temple, and then I never wanted to leave. When there were Buddhist holidays, the local people come to the temple in the morning. The first time I was very excited because there were many people giving alms, and that was my first time to collect alms from so many people. Life in the temple did not mean that I cannot have an education, because there are also monk schools in Luang Prabang. After breakfast, I always enjoy walking to school. What is special in monk schools is that we have extra subjects like drama and Pali Sanskrit language. I made a lot of new friends there, the same age. Mostly they come from the countryside or different provinces, and I enjoy talking with them. We are still friends even though I'm not a novice now, and they still are. I was a novice for 4 years. What I got from becoming a novice was friends and education. We had free English classes at the temple, and I studied hard, so now I'm comfortable talking to foreigners. Before becoming a novice, I was so naughty. I didn't obey my parents. In the temple, I was far from my parents, and I had to listen to and obey the abbot and the old monks, and they taught me many things. I learned about the kindness of parents and how good they are to us. They taught us the rules, and I came to understand them. I came to understand why we shouldn't kill and why we should be honest. If you would like to become a monk one time in your life, let's try.